Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the crossword board game. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need the game board, 100 letter tiles, 4 tile racks, a letter pouch, and a score pad. To decide who goes first, each player draws one tile. The player with the letter closest to it begins. If there's a tie, redraw. Then, return those tiles to the pouch, shuffle them well, and each player draws 7 new tiles for their rack, keeping them secret. Now, let's dive into how to play your turn. The first player combines at least 2 letters to form a word, placing one letter on the board's center star square. Remember, words can only go across from left to right or down from top to bottom. Diagonal words are not allowed. On subsequent turns, players build upon existing words, creating new ones in a crossword style. All letters played in a single turn must form one continuous line. Scoring is a key part of the game. Each letter tile has a specific point value, shown on the tile itself. The board also features premium squares that can significantly boost your score. A light blue square doubles the value of the letter placed on it, while a dark blue square triples it. Pink squares double the score of the entire word, and red squares triple it. If you manage to play all 7 of your tiles in a single turn, you earn a generous bonus of 50 points. Finally, let's talk about how the game concludes. The game typically ends in one of 2 ways. Either all 100 letter tiles have been drawn from the pouch, and one player has used every letter on their rack, or if no player can make any more valid words. Once the game ends, each player subtracts the point value of any unplayed letters from their total score. If a player successfully used all their tiles, they get to add the sum of all other players' unplayed letters to their own score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.